I'm Dr. Kemp, Hammond Doc. I'm here in my Hammond organ room, and I've just connected the Leslie 147 amplifier to one of my Hammond organs, and so the sound that you hear is, of course, the amplifier playing right now. And I have a key being held down by a piece of paper, but I'm going to point the camera down toward this amp that I've just installed here. And I'm going to go over to the organ, and we're going to play and let you hear how this amplifier sounds live. This is just the Leslie without the organ, without the internal speakers on the organ. This is with the organ on soft. That's not his volume normal. So when I do that, I have to change it. I have to put on my ear plugs. I'm going to be over here. I'll turn the camera up. So here I am here. Woo! Boy, this is a powerful. And that relay sounds good. That bass. If you don't have headphones, you need to put on a pair of headphones and listen to this bass right now. Listen to this. believe that is another completed Leslie Amplifier project here at Vintage B3 Organ. I just love it when I've completed a rebuild project and it comes out successful, and that Leslie sings the way you just heard that one sing, and it sounds so heavenly, so good, fantastic. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave this amplifier here in this cabinet and continue to play it for a while, and put some time on it, put some hours on it, and just to make sure that this amplifier is playing and sounding the way it's supposed to sound, in a prolonged fashion, continuously. And I'm going to take this beautiful amplifier 147 that I had in this cabinet. This is the one that was in there, and I'm going to put this one on the shelf now. It's time to go ahead and see. This is a new one. Look at this. Look at this. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm going to put this one on the shelf, and basically retire it. It's ready. This one is ready to sell. So I'm putting it on the to sell shelf in my next office here, in my next room, and play the one you just heard for a while, so that I can ensure that when this amplifier goes into your Leslie, it will sound the way it sounds here in my Hammond organ room. So, until the next video, this is Dr. Arthur D. Kemp, a Hammond Doc, saying to you, please have a peaceful and wonderful day. Goodbye.